You don't have anything in your bra, right? Nothing that you shouldn't know about? What you tucking in your bra? What was that? Pills. Put your shirt down. I don't have... Okay. There are certain items that are paid for, but there's 5 items paid for on the receipt, but 20 items in the bag. Okay. So that means what you didn't pay for is considered theft.
I know.
So is that why he's sick?
That's probably why.
That's probably why he's sick. What is that?
Don't touch it.
I'm not touching it.
Don't touch it.
I just smoked weed. And he got my little bit of weed that I had in my pink pouch.
That's probably why he's throwing up, trying to do some weird shit.
Okay, so you know he's up to something?
On May 4th, 2023, a routine traffic stop for a broken license plate light exposed an organized retail theft ring with sophisticated tools. When does marijuana odor justify a vehicle search, and how do you distinguish accomplices from innocent passengers?
Clear. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Officer Bailey, Perkins Township Police. The reason why I stopped, you don't have a plate light.
I
on
don't?
the back of the vehicle. No, you don't.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I just bought,
okay.
but I have license and insurance, man.
Okay, that's all right. You have your license with you, insurance and registration?
Yep.
All right. We have backseat passenger next to you. Where are you guys coming from?
I'm coming from Akron.
Okay,
we're here because it's our family reunion.
Okay.
That's all we're here for, man. My dad stays in Toledo.
Make sure he doesn't have anything on him. I got the odor of marijuana.
He doesn't have anything on.
Okay. Insurance and registration?
My insurance is on my email.
You have an ID on you, ma'am? Put the back window down, please.
I'm sorry, it's too. But
Put the back window down.
My plate. Oh.
Back window.
Oh, sorry. My plate light is out.
Yeah. Your plate light's out.
Okay. Damn.
What are you guys doing in town?
We're here. Yeah, family reunion. My dad lives in Toledo.
Okay. Who are you visiting here? Where's the family reunion at?
It's in Toledo, but we just came out here. That was all it was. We're heading back to Toledo.
No, my name is Monet Oliver. I could write it down.
You don't have an ID?
No.
Okay.
Damage to ceiling.
The insurance.
Water
Yep,
points
it's
to
on.
your apartment. Just like it does.
You want to write my name down?
I'll get it in just a second.
Thank you.
Hey, Poland, detain him in the car, please. Do me a favor, step out.
Okay.
Any marijuana in the vehicle? Any drugs in the vehicle? Any guns or knives in the vehicle that I should be aware of? Nothing?
No.
Turn on, face away from me. I have the odor of marijuana coming from the vehicle. Okay, so the vehicle is going to be searched, just so you're aware.
Because it doesn't smell like marijuana.
Oh, it definitely does smell like marijuana. All right, so I'm going to be searching the vehicle. Spread your legs for me. All right. Paulson! You don't have anything in your bra, right? Nothing that you shouldn't have? Place her in the back of my car, please.
Can I get? I think my insurance card might be in the car.
Okay. You can leave the wallet there on the seat. Face away from me. Any marijuana or drugs on you?
No.
Anything I should know about? What you're tucking in your bra? What was that? Pills. Put your shirt down. Whose pills are those?
That was just mine.
Why is it tucked in your bra?
Because I was from my cramps.
All right. Go ahead, put your hand behind your back for me. The pill drop there. Can you get a bag for that, please? All right, you're just being detained for the time being, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
But you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. Turn your wrist.
My phone, please? Talk a bit, please.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questioning. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be provided to you at no cost. Do you understand your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there any stolen merchandise in the vehicle that you are going to be seen on camera taking from anywhere inside the mall?
No, ought to go.
Only from Malta.
Yes.
So none of those bags were stolen. You have receipts to prove that you paid for all that stuff.
Yes, there's receipts in the bags.
Okay.
Yes.
Spread your legs for me. What did you take from Ulta?
That's a perfume.
Just perfume, you said?
Yes.
Spread your legs. A little more. Yep. Okay.
Oh, that was it, babe. I don't have to hide nothing from you.
You put him in my car?
Yep, they're both in your car right now.
Okay. We're going to put her, separately. All right. Your car open?
Yeah.
Okay. And she said she took perfume from Ulta.
Okay.
She was read her rights. I did not read the rights to either one of those two.
Here's the footage that displays them stealing the items.
Did you call?
Yeah, she's pulling up the footage now.
Okay, what happened?
So we had 2 women and 1 man come in, and they were stealing fragrance from
Okay,
us.
2 women,
1 man,
white, black,
black.
2 black women,
2 and 1 black man.
and 1 black man. Okay.
And they came in and they stole a bunch of fragrance from us. They were shoving it in our bag. Yeah, if you just come up here. And then my manager's coming up too.
Did you see him do it?
I saw the woman do it. My manager was watching the cameras in the back, so she saw them, the 2 women,
Okay.
stealing fragrance as well.
Hi.
What can I do?
Well, you called me.
Yes, so do you want to see the video footage?
Do you have any idea what they took?
It was a bunch of fragrance. So I know they took some kits. I know they took some YSL on this side, some Burberry on this side.
And what did they do with that stuff?
They just put it into their tote bags and then eventually left without paying for it.
Okay, let's go back and look at the... First of all, do you want to file charges?
Yes.
Okay.
Like, yeah, he wants to do that.
Did they all leave together?
So the lady with the gray pants left, and then she came back, and then the 2 girls left, and then a little bit later the guy left too.
That's 4 people. Or are you saying that one came in?
Yeah, the
Left.
lady with the gray pants left and then came back, and then the 2 ladies left together, and then
Gotcha.
the guy left after that.
Okay.
Where did she go? And her cameras aren't the best either, they like to skip. Oh, you can kind of see it. And then you can see.
Can you make it any bigger than it is? There you go.
Yeah.
Let's get let me get a description. Okay.
Okay.
So,
let's-
black female.
Let me see if I can get a better picture.
And she's got a black coat.
Black puffer coat, pink snapback hat, Nike shoes. This would be a better picture.
Okay, now is that the first lady that come in?
Yes, that's the first lady.
Okay, what time is that?
That would be 8:34.
She came in. Okay, she's got a black coat, black pants with, is that like white stripes?
I think it's a logo. It's I believe it's Nike. Yeah, because her shirt's Nike. So Nike shirt and Nike sweatpants. 34.
Okay. Did she take items?
Yeah, so she took the Carolina Herrera perfume right over here and then stuck it in her bag, and now she's over here getting men's stuff, men's clothes.
521,
And then that's when the other lady and the guy come in.
Okay, so she came in first. Did she leave and then come back with the other girl?
No, she's still here.
So the other girl was the first one that came in.
Yeah, so this lady came in, then the other two came in a minute after, and then...
Okay, you need to keep me straight here. That lady came in at 8:34.
Yes.
Okay. What did she do? She stole items.
This lady?
Yep.
Yeah, she stole items.
Okay. Did she leave?
She didn't leave. She stayed in the store. This lady was the one who left later on.
Okay, what time did she come in? And let's get a description of her.
That would be 8:35, and the other guy comes in with her.
So at 8:35, another black female wearing what appear to be gray sweats, maybe?
Yeah, and it looks like a jean jacket, ripped jean jacket on top. And she had the design, I think it was a Coach bag, but I'll have to look again.
And she's got like a coat on, doesn't she? Or is that part of it?
The jean jacket.
With the jean jacket.
Step out here. Back of the car. All right, look at me. All right, so you're not under arrest right now, okay? Well, he's going back to check the video, and then we're going to go from there. I'm going to read you your rights just for your own protection, okay? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questioning. If you can't afford one will be provided to you at no cost. At any time during my questions, you can decide to stop answering and invoke your right to have an attorney present. Do you understand your rights? Okay. Why are you guys here?
We came down here because my dad lives in Toledo.
Okay, but you are here. This is nowhere near Toledo.
Yeah.
This is at least an hour away.
Yeah, we stopped here.
Stopped here for what?
Well, I went to, you can see my bags in there. I went to Route 21.
This is the only Route 21 between here and Toledo.
Yeah, I went to Route 21, and then I went to shoe department.
Okay. And did you come down here with the intent to go to Ulta and steal fragrances? Shake your head yes, because it's the truth. Okay? We know that that's what's going around on TikTok and social media. People are doing it everywhere. Okay? What did you steal from Ulta?
Perfume.
How much? How many?
I would say 5.
Okay.
4 or 5.
How much did he steal?
None.
I'll back up a little bit
what was
for
he
you to
doing?
go around me.
He was about to buy the cologne Gucci Guilty. He did want it.
Okay.
He did want to get that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he's not really aware
No,
of what
no.
you two were doing?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you aware that of any kind of illegal narcotics that I might find besides marijuana in the vehicle? Because she had the audacity to hide something in her bra. Okay. So, are you the owner of the vehicle?
That is my car.
Okay, so you understand that whatever is in the vehicle that they don't take claim for, how that's going to look for you.
Yeah, and I don't even smoke weed.
Okay, so but somebody in that car smokes weed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That is why I'm going to be searching it, because I have the odor of marijuana coming from the vehicle. Okay? You don't have anything on your bra, nothing like that, right? Okay. All right, I'm going to have you go ahead and put your hand behind your back. I'm going to detain you for right now. Put your palms together.
I read his rights, definitely.
Okay. Is the insurance possibly in the car then for this car or no?
It was sent through my email, so that's why I was trying to look through my email, but I have the insurance card now because I had another car and I got it.
The door open
Okay.
to pick up kids
Well,
while
there
we're
is
moving.
insurance on the vehicle.
That's the only bag you found? Okay. All right.
There's like a blue purse in there. It's almost like it's full of straws.
Okay.
That's okay. That is my George John.
So what they do is they duct tape these bags. It keeps the sensors.
I wondered what.
Yep. It keeps the sensors from going off. So they put the duct tape on them. Yep. So we're gonna take that.
Yeah. Interesting. Okay. Yeah,
Used, yep. Well, she said she had that pill that you picked up was a... So we'll try and verify that.
There's a pill bottle in here.
There's another pill here too.
But for
This one says Tylenol. I don't care about that.
yeah, it's a town. This is Richard Porter. I don't know
Is it
who
got
this
a medication in it?
is. No, it's empty. But
Okay.
Other than that,
Okay. She said she bought the stuff at Route 21. But there better be receipts because it's going to go back. Hello. Yeah, we got it all here. So. Okay. Well, we can bring it back and they can get their total because we got everything right here. Yep. Yes. Yep, he was trying to get a men's cologne and was unable to do so. So he did not take anything from the store, and I think once he realized what was going on, I watched him get in the passenger seat of the car, which is why I told dispatch, confirm it's a sedan, because I watched him climb into the vehicle, and that was the only car in the parking lot of Ulta. So, yep, for sure. And we got bags here. We got magnet removers so that they can remove the magnets that allow them to go off when you exit. I had on the driver. We have extra bags, so we'll get criminal tools for both of them too.
there's a ton of clothes in there. Only 2 items on the receipt, though.
All right, so they're not getting any of this stuff. This stuff is definitely stolen because it's in a shoe carnival bag. That's marijuana. You see this? This is shoe carnival. This says Route 21. So they stole these clothing. So everything's going to go back. They can come up there and dispute it with their receipts with Route 21. I don't have time for this. All right, this bag here. You want to tell me about it? Because I don't think this is from Ulta. Or is this from Ulta?
That's not my stuff.
Okay, whose stuff is it?
My stuff is in the chicken.
Okay, so was this bag taken into Ulta tonight? Do you recall?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
So you only took in the cheetah bag. Who took in the other purse that has perfume in it?
That was hers.
Okay, so she had these 2 bags. Miss Oliver, you want to talk to me about this bag?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is this stuff from?
That's from Ulta, babe. That's,
Today?
Yes.
Okay, so you did this bag and then you did the other purse that's not the cheetah bag.
No, my purse is the Louis bag.
Okay,
The
both
Louis
of those
Vuitton.
bags are completely brand new. Where did you get those from?
I have a Louis bag,
Okay, it's still wrapped in...
and it has might have my ID in it.
Okay, but what about the purses that have the perfume that you took in the store? Where did those come from?
I used my brown bag, babe. My brown Louis Vuitton purse. I was already in the car when you guys pulled up. I already went to the car and put them in that bag. You can...
So you dumped your stuff into here?
Yes.
Okay, so unfortunately for you, the stuff that you say you guys paid for at Route 21, we're going to take it.
You don't see the receipt?
I see the receipt, but it does not match the items that you have in the bag. So what you're going to have to do, once you guys get out of the county jail, is go back to Route 21 with your receipts, and you can dispute that with them. But you have receipts with 4 or 5 items, and then there's 20 items in a bag. You have a shoe department bag with clothing from Route 21 with a Route 21 receipt, but it's in a shoe department bag.
Okay.
So you guys will have to dispute that because unfortunately that is theft if you did not pay for the items.
I understand.
And the receipt does not show that you paid for the items.
It should be certain items in there that was paid
There are certain items that are paid for, but there's 5 items paid for on the receipt, but 20 items in the bag.
Okay. I
So
understand
that
what you're
means
saying.
what you didn't pay for is considered theft.
I know, ma'am.
Okay.
I told you what I did. I'm
But
not
you
trying-
stole though, because if you
I
didn't
did
pay
steal.
for the
I told you.
yeah, but not
stole.
just from here.
Babe, I didn't steal from Route 21. I bought stuff from Route 21.
Okay, and so the other stuff just fell in the bag.
Listen, man. I told you where I stole from. I don't
Okay.
want to argue or anything.
But I'm telling you that there's 20 some items in a bag that you have a receipt with 7 items on.
I know, and I'm not.
So how
saying-
did that happen? Is what I'm asking.
I'm
you.
not saying that I didn't steal, man.
Okay, that's what I'm asking you.
Yeah.
Did you steal from Route 21? And you're saying you stole from Ulta.
Yeah, I stole from.
Okay,
Ulta, yes.
did you steal from Route 21?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. And ma'am, sorry, ma'am.
Whose bag is this one right
Which
here?
one?
The cheetah bag right there.
That's her.
That's hers. Whose bag is the one next to it?
Let's see. Which,
Right there that my light's on.
the white one?
Nope, right there to the right of her cheetah bag.
Mine.
Okay, and
then
who's
my
the
little-
bag behind that?
Hers.
Okay,
And
and
then,
it's
yes, that's hers.
both of those are brand new with stickers and tags on them. Where did you get the purses from?
Which, that's her Michael Kors bag, the white one.
Uh-huh.
The cheetah print one is hers.
And
the
that one's
brown one
yours?
is mine. Yes.
Okay.
And the Louis Vuitton that's in there with the blue wallet. Can you
Okay.
please put that
You
as
want
my
that to
personal
go with
item?
you?
Yes.
Okay, you want it to go with you?
Yes, and it should be
Okay.
a phone with a Supreme on it, and that goes in there as well.
Okay, take a seat for me.
Can you make sure, please, ma'am?
And just so you're aware, when you go into county jail, they're going to run you through a scanner.
Yes.
So if you have anything else on you, now is the time to tell me you'll get another felony charge. You understand that, right?
Ma'am, I don't have nothing. You
I'm
want
just
to check me?
I'm letting you know.
I don't have nothing.
Okay. Probably yours, because I'm going to take him to the county. You are going to the county too, sir.
For what?
For complicit to theft.
I didn't do nothing
Who? Ask her whose purse this is with the money in the pocket.
I didn't do nothing, officer.
Ask your partner in there who this purse is with the money in the pocket. Yeah, the Michael Kors with all the stolen underwear inside of it. That's your purse? With the tag still on it?
No, my purse isn't stolen, man.
Okay, why has it still got the tag on it?
I never took the tag off.
I take the tags off mine when I buy them.
That MK purse is not stolen, man. And I can show you a receipt for that.
I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to jail for. I didn't do nothing.
I just told you, complicit to theft, sir.
What did I do?
You distracted the clerk so that they could get out of the store with these items. You argue with that with the judge, okay? We're going based on what we have here, and that's what we're going to go with right now. This one doesn't have a price tag on it. She says the Michael Kors is hers. Obviously, the underwear is stolen because it's not in a bag, so she stole it.
Right. That phone is hers.
Correct. Okay.
Yep. Officer,
I
didn't do nothing. Like, what?
Okay, well, we'll discuss it in a minute, okay? We're trying to get this figured out. Just put this in my trunk.
I didn't do nothing. Like, I sat in the car.
They're going to need to bring receipts down for these brand new purses. As well for the Michael's Kors, okay, ma'am? That's fine. What's that? You are going to have to bring it to the county jail, to the station when you get out of the county jail, okay?
You want these in yours?
Yep, that's fine. Oh, no.
I was gonna
I'll
say.
transport. Yeah.
That's
You
what I
take
thought.
the perfume, but you take anything that's stolen, we're going to take all this back to the station. The only thing that they're going to do is this one, and this one at Ulta.
Okay.
Get a total out of those.
Cool.
And then these ones are all going back to station till tomorrow.
My shoes, you have some water. Am I able to get water?
I don't have.
Go back for you, please. Please, give me some water. I'm dehydrated. Now I'm about to pass out. Please,
Okay.
please have some water. And I'm pregnant.
Oh, you are pregnant?
Yes, I am pregnant. She just had an abortion. I am pregnant. That's why I was trying to tell you that I had the abortion.
Okay, I understand. I understand having.
Share it. Please,
I understand having the Percocet, but. That's all I got. I'm going to take you out of the cuffs, okay? I did not know you were pregnant. Here.
Can I have some, please, ma'am?
Best I saved some for you.
Okay. What's all over your pants?
What?
What's that?
I don't know what this is, ma'am. I had this on me.
Okay, step out.
Okay.
You didn't take anything, did you?
No, ma'am, I didn't take anything. I'm pregnant.
Okay, turn around, face away from me. Take a deep breath, okay?
It's not the best. Calm down.
If you have to throw up, you're fine.
I'm sorry.
That's fine.
Pregnant. I'm nervous. I've never been arrested.
Okay, okay. Just relax.
He had the vape. He gave the vape, and this is what came off of the vape.
What? Okay.
He had a vape. He gave it to the officer, ma'am.
Okay. That's all I'm asking.
Okay.
Just relax. You're fine.
I'm just so sorry. I'm just pregnant.
So is this what you should be doing out here as a pregnant woman?
No.
Okay.
No,
I know.
So and this is not your first time doing this. It's just your first time getting caught. That I know for sure because of the bags in the vehicle, right? So now you've been caught. Are you gonna make a change?
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
Can I have
Take
a
a
little
seat in
bit
the
more
car.
water?
Take
That's
a
for
seat
her.
in the car.
Go ahead, Bess. Can I give it to her now?
Lean over. Get out.
I'm sorry. What is what?
Stand still.
I'm sorry.
What is this?
She didn't have anything, ma'am. He was sitting right here. We didn't have anything. I didn't have nothing, ma'am. No. Man,
So is that why he's sick?
That's probably why. That's probably why he's sick. What is that?
Don't touch it.
I'm not touching it.
Don't touch it.
I just smoke weed. And he got my little bit of weed that I had in my pink pouch.
That's probably why he's throwing up, trying to do some weird shit.
Okay, so you know he's up to something?
I don't know, man, but I'm saying this is probably why he's throwing up. Who knows?
We know him. He does take. You know, he does.
118, 521.
That's probably why he was throwing up, man.
Yeah, that's what just
Talking about a
happened.
seizure.
That's clear. It's possible that he has narcotics. There's little
What is
baggies
that?
tore off in the
What
back
is
of my
this
car
shit?
that were not here prior to
Is it on my back, ma'am?
him being seated here. No, I don't have anything on you.
Can I have some, please, ma'am?
Say out. Let me see it inside your mouth. Lift your tongue up. Look down. Look down.
205 is out of service from Walmart.
Thank you so
That's
much.
it.
Did you get that?
No, I'm going to get it now. Just don't touch it.
Who knows what that is?
Because we don't know what it is. And if it's something bad, I don't want you guys getting it.
I'm just being around that stuff.
Right. Very true.
I don't with that shit.
Stand in front of that door. Now you know I'm going to watch the camera and I'm going to verify if this was you.
Okay.
And when I watch the camera and it's you, I'm going to charge you for it.
It wasn't
Okay?
me.
I'm letting you know.
It wasn't me.
You have it all over your thigh.
From probably when he
You didn't have that on you when you got out of the car.
Then he had the vape. The vape had stuff on it, man.
Go ahead, take a seat.
That's why he's throwing up probably. Who knows what that shit is?
I'm going to give you one option.
Yeah.
One option to give me what you have. Because once we pull in that Sally port, it's going to be a felony.
What, ma'am? I don't have nothing. You
I
can
don't
check
have-
me
I
right
don't
now.
I saw you giving her your hand. I'm
No,
giving you...
she, no, I
like to
swear to
hold
God.
her hand.
I promise I don't have nothing.
No, I was
I swear to God, ma'am. I promise we can cough, choke, everything right now, ma'am.
we can.
I was stripped butt naked for you. We can go through the scanner right now, open my coochie for you and everything, ma'am. And I just got an abortion. I didn't take anything. She didn't give me anything. I promise. I promise, ma'am. I promise on my mother, my grandmother.
I saw you pointing to her that I'm watching the camera. I watched
No,
you.
she kept saying, are you okay, Bess? Are you okay?
She's like, we're at the jail. We're at the
I
jail.
said, we're at the jail.
We're at the jail. I never
She
been
trying
to
to
jail.
put her hand up to my face. I said, leave me alone. I said, I'm cool. I don't
Do you
have
have
nothing.
anything on you?
No.
I was show. We was getting. We
you
were
can-
button.
Yeah, we gon' y'all
Anything in your shoes?
Off everything, ma'am. Go ahead. Here, take mine off for her.
Yeah, sure.
I don't have nothing, ma'am.
Sorry.
I don't have nothing, ma'am.
I didn't mean to throw that.
Look, I have nothing. Here, other foot. Here, take your socks off for her too.
They'll do that in the jail.
Okay.
It goes in the jail. Like I said, it's a felony.
Let's analyze the law. Pennsylvania versus Mimms permits officers to order all occupants from a lawfully stopped vehicle without additional justification, based solely on officer safety. When marijuana odor is detected, Carroll versus United States, automobile exception, allows warrantless vehicle searches with probable cause. This isn't speculation, but the plain smell doctrine, obvious drug odor, creates probable cause. Next, Terry versus Ohio authorizes pat-down searches when officers have reasonable suspicion of weapons. Combining three factors, nighttime stop, multiple occupants, marijuana odor, creates reasonable suspicion justifying protective searches. Using a female officer to search female suspects is standard procedure, avoiding allegations of improper conduct. When pills are discovered concealed in a bra rather than in a purse or pill bottle, this unusual concealment elevates suspicion about legality. Critical legal distinction: detention and arrest are separate concepts. Detention is temporary movement restriction for investigation, while arrest requires probable cause of specific criminal activity. Before interrogation, Miranda versus Arizona mandates officers advise suspects of their Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination and Sixth Amendment right to counsel. Officer Bailey properly administered Miranda warnings, ensuring any subsequent admissions remain constitutionally admissible in court. This is a constitutional safeguard, not mere formality. Store surveillance footage and witness testimony from Ulta Beauty employees establish a solid foundation for arrest. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 2913.02, theft occurs when someone knowingly obtains or exerts control over property without owner consent with purpose to deprive. Surveillance timestamps correlate precisely with the traffic stop timing, proving suspects were apprehended immediately after leaving the scene. But the most critical evidence lies in the vehicle: foil-lined bags and magnet removal tools. Section 2923.24 prohibits possessing any device with purpose to use it criminally. These sophisticated shoplifting tools, bags lined with aluminum foil to defeat electronic article surveillance systems, and magnets to remove security tags, prove this is organized retail theft, not impulsive stealing, creating a separate criminal tools charge with independent penalties. The vehicle search reveals a fatal discrepancy: a Rue 21 receipt showing 5 items paid for, but bags containing over 20 items. Wyoming versus Houghton establishes that when police have probable cause to search a vehicle, they may examine all containers and passenger belongings capable of concealing the object of the search. Vehicle ownership creates legal responsibility. The registered owner bears responsibility for contraband unless someone else claims specific ownership. When confronted with this evidence, the driver admits to theft from both Ulta and Rue 21. Because these admissions followed proper Miranda advisement, they are self-incriminating and admissible at trial. Because each theft occurred at separate retail locations, prosecutors may charge them as distinct offenses with independent penalties under Ohio law. The complicity charge against the male passenger presents a more complex legal analysis. Ohio Revised Code Section 2923.03 requires prosecutors to prove that an individual acting with the culpability required for the offense solicited, aided, and abetted, or conspired with another to commit the crime. Critical point: mere presence at a crime scene, even with knowledge that a crime is occurring, is legally insufficient to establish complicity. Prosecutors must prove active assistance combined with criminal intent. Here, the driver's statement that the male passenger was genuinely attempting to purchase cologne and was unaware of the theft, combined with lack of evidence showing intentional employee distraction, creates substantial proof problems for the complicity charge. Without specific evidence of knowing participation or purposeful assistance, this charge likely fails to meet Ohio's complicity standards. This investigation demonstrates proper constitutional procedure from initial stop through arrest and evidence collection. The systematic development of probable cause, from equipment violation to marijuana odor to theft investigation to criminal tools discovery, illustrates how Fourth Amendment protections operate in practice.
Come on now. Seriously?
Go ahead.
What's the problem?
Nothing.
That is ridiculous. I can't believe
Do we
that.
have to release?
Yeah, we
They
got until
close?
5 o'clock to get there, so,
All right.
but you gotta give the $45, I gotta fill some stuff out.
Here.
I need an ID from her.
Fine. You got address?
Yep, I got it right now, I'll get to you in a minute.
Can the $45 be Apple Pay?
No, it's gonna be cash.
What about debit card?
No,
Well, I gotta go to the
gotta be
ATM.
cash.
Come on, Cobra's right here.
What's right here?
Cobra. We'll be right back.
There's a key bank right over there too, that's got an ATM if you need that.
Oh yeah, we need an ATM.
It's the tow company, that's the address, that's your phone number. That's your plate information.
Okay,
The officer
so
that dealt with you was-
Wilson's towing, the
Yes.
address, their phone number, and then what is this?
That's just the report number and
The
the
report
license
number.
plate number.
Okay.
What's a good phone number for you? Okay, so the officer that dealt with you last night will probably be contacting you. You'll have additional criminal charges coming. I don't know when that's going to be because there's
For what?
other stolen merchandise inside that car from other stores inside the mall. They're trying to sort that all out and figure out what's going on.
Alright.
Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Officer Bailey's multiple Miranda advisements, proper search protocols, and methodical evidence documentation created a legally defensible prosecution. However, the suspects' decisions to waive their Fifth Amendment rights and make voluntary admissions after Miranda warnings substantially strengthened the state's case. Understanding these constitutional principles is essential for law enforcement executing searches within constitutional boundaries and for citizens recognizing when to exercise the right to remain silent and request counsel. Officer Bailey receives a B+. Solid work with strong probable cause development and proper constitutional procedures. Developed probable cause from marijuana odor. Thoroughly investigated at Ulta with surveillance footage. Properly advised Miranda multiple times, and methodically documented evidence. Points deducted. Interrogation technique of saying nod your head because it's the truth approaches improper suggestion, and the decision to charge the male passenger with complicity appears questionable given lack of evidence. Overall, this represents competent, professional police work adhering to constitutional standards. The driver receives a D. Engaged in organized retail theft from multiple stores using sophisticated methods, made poor decisions escalating the situation, used foil-lined bags specifically designed to defeat security systems, possessed magnet removal tools showing premeditated criminal activity, initially lied to police about paid merchandise, only admitted crimes when confronted with irrefutable evidence, demonstrated poor legal knowledge, should have exercised right to remain silent when questioned about theft, should not have admitted to Rue 21 theft that police might not have discovered. Final cooperation came too late, and only after being caught with overwhelming evidence. Monet Oliver receives an F. Conduct represents the worst decision-making in this incident. Beyond participating in theft, she concealed pills in her bra, creating potential drug possession charges, and made statements that were both untruthful and self-incriminating. Contradictory statements, pregnant, just had abortion, pills for cramps, undermined credibility with police, failed to exercise right to remain silent despite proper Miranda advisement, made self-incriminating admissions about taking perfume from Ulta, demonstrated virtually no effective understanding of legal rights or situation. Had she simply remained silent after Miranda advisement and requested an attorney, her legal position would have been significantly stronger. The male passenger receives a C. More sympathetic case, legal situation appears to stem primarily from being in the wrong place at the wrong time with the wrong people. According to the driver's statement, he was attempting to legitimately purchase cologne and was unaware of the theft, not observed by store employees actively concealing merchandise, cooperated with police directives without resistance, and immediately denied participation in criminal activity. However, demonstrated poor situational awareness and judgment about associations, being in a vehicle with marijuana odor with people engaged in criminal activity. Available evidence does not appear to support criminal charges against him, and complicity charge was likely dropped after prosecutorial review. Grade C reflects poor situational awareness and judgment about associations. 3 critical legal lessons. First, the automobile exception, Carroll versus United States, permits warrantless vehicle searches with probable cause. Marijuana odor creates that probable cause. This is a constitutional exception based on vehicle mobility and reduced privacy expectations compared to homes. If you allow contraband in your vehicle, you've created probable cause for a complete search. Second, Miranda rights don't automatically protect you. You must exercise them. All 3 suspects were advised but chose to speak, making self-incriminating admissions. Correct response: I am exercising my right to remain silent. I want a lawyer. Then stop talking. Silence cannot be used as evidence of guilt, but voluntary admissions after Miranda can be. Third, complicity requires more than mere presence. Ohio Section 2009, 123.03 requires active assistance with criminal intent. Simply being there when a crime occurs isn't enough. Prosecutors must prove you solicited, aided, or conspired. The male passenger was in the same vehicle, but no evidence he knew about or helped the theft. Lesson: choose your companions carefully, but know that simply being near someone committing a crime doesn't automatically make you an accomplice under law. Thank you for watching. Let us know what legal topics you'd like us to analyze in the comments below.